So hi guys, we're here right now at the Seda Hotel because we're here for the auditions application for Century Tuna Everybod Superbod 2020. So they're looking for applicants from Cebu to join this competition, and today we're gonna meet some of the potential winner of the Superbod Everybod Superbod 2020 from the Visayas. So check this out.
Here, Century Tuna Everybod Superbod 2020 is different because we wanted to make it more accessible to everyone. So we don't want Superbods to just be a beauty pageant where people just admire the Superbods from afar. We want to inspire everybody that they themselves can become Superbods. Yeah. So for this round of competition, we're actually looking for ambassadors that can help inspire everyone in the Philippines to become better versions of themselves.
So do you have any particular age group or no? It's one.
Well, actually, we limited it to a very a large age range. It's 18 to 60 now.
Wow,
so it's the widest that we've ever had when it comes to the age range. But of course, when inspiring everybody, it doesn't stop at any age. So if you're 70, 80, you can still get inspired that you can still become a better version of yourself. Yun yung kwento natin.
So when will be the the main competition?
Well, we have the go-sees happening this month of Feb.
Okay.
So, and then there's the final go-see at Feb 27. And the finals night is going to be in April, so April 26.
Whoever's the winner, like only one person, or
we have one female and one
male. So as an ambassador, what are their roles?
So their roles is really becoming the voice of Century Tuna, and being able to be present across the different communication channels to talk about our message. So what we're seeing is that it's not something that is unique to Century Tuna. Actually, the contestants that we've been seeing, they have the same message. They have similar advocacies of being fit, moving every day, eating right every day, and just having a positive outlook in life. So basically, those are the three main things that we're looking for. And most likely we'll see a lot of good candidates that can help us spread that message.
So how much would be the grand prize if someone would win? What can they receive?
500,000 pesos.
Wow. Oh, na-shock siya. Well, sasali na yun. Sasali na yun.
Hulog yung So 500,000 for the male and 500,000 for the female winner. So I think 500,000 sila. Kung sila, edi 1 million sila.
As a former winner, I mean, what are you looking for?
Well, I'm looking for the same things that they look for in me whenever I competed. So, I mean, their standards pretty much remain consistent throughout the years, so it's not too hard to do. What they looked for in me wasn't just the physical aspect of my looks and my body, it was also like the mental capacity of how well you apply what you know and how enthusiastic you are to actually achieve your goals and live this lifestyle, basically.
First of all, you have to be very confident. It doesn't have to be, you don't have to be physically fit, but of course that's what we're looking for. So that's a good package. But the confidence is actually the one that brings out everything when it comes to the brains and the body. So that's my advice for everyone who's aspiring.
A very beautiful day. It's a beautiful beyond beautiful day because you're going to be seeing lots of beautiful faces here. It is the hottest event of the summer. I'm Claire on air on Y101 FM, welcoming each and every one of you right here in the Century Tuna Superbods 2020. Can we all give ourselves a big round of applause, please? Awesome.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Carla Flipping Lasquita, but my friends call me Carlita. I'm 26 years old, and I'm from Cordoba, Cebu City. And my advocacy is to promote a healthy lifestyle for everyone.
Now, F005, this will be the time that the judges will be asking you a few questions, just very casual interviews. You can answer whichever language you're comfortable with, English, Bisaya, Tagalog. And now I'm going to hand it over to the judges for some questions.
Hello.
Hello.
What would you say is your best asset that you bring to this competition?
I think beside my confidence, I think my physique, because I believe that since I enter modeling, I go to the gym all the time. I eat the right food for me, and yeah, that's it. I think my confidence and my physique as a whole.
Thank you.
So I see in your application you said you're advocating a healthy lifestyle program. So if you were to convince someone to be healthier, to become more fit, what do you say to them?
I will say to them that if they want to live long life, a happy life with their friends and their family, they should involve themselves into activities such as going to the gym, running, because there's a lot of varieties of activities that you can do with your friends and family, and you can enjoy. So I think that's it. I will promote some activities that your friends and your family can enjoy.
Hi, Carlita.
Yes, hello po.
It says here that you are a model
Yes.
and you work as a concierge as well. All right. Do you think that, well, obviously, you look like a model, but do you think that's one of your advantages? Do you think you have any other things that you can tell us that would say that you like about yourself, that you can promote about yourself?
Yes, I think I suit for this Century Tuna Superbods because I love outdoor activities. I love taking good care of my body, and I believe that Century Tuna Superbods promote those things. And I really love to influence other people as well. So that's it. And I think I have what it takes, and I'll do what it takes to be the next Superbod.
Follow-up question lang. Can you describe to us your typical diet?
Actually, I'm blessed that even if I eat a lot, same pa din yung body ko. But less carbs po. I eat like more protein because that's what my trainer told me. And then yeah, that's it. Less carbs and more protein and veggies and fruits. I didn't work out.
Any last questions from the judges? And I think we're good. So F005, our fifth female applicant for today. Thank you so much for participating in the Go Seat. So by the way, we will be contacting you via your submitted details if you have been shortlisted for the callbacks, which will be in Manila this Feb 27.
Hi everyone, my name is Elcid Camacho. You can call me Sid. I'm from Talisay City, Cebu, and I'm 28 years old. It has always been my goal to inspire others to engage in the fitness, not just about having a good physique, but it's also about your health.
So you are part of the 2018 finalists, and so we can see you back. So what do you think is different now that would give you a better chance to win?
By that time, I consider myself as an underdog since I did not expect to be part of the top 10 and even to the top 5. So when I'm on the stage as part of the top 5, I was shaking. I didn't expect. For me, it's a win already. So right now, I think I'm ready for on a bigger place. Yeah, thanks.
My name is Nicolas Leon Quinones. You can call me Leon. I'm from Guadalupe, Cebu City. My advocacy is to inspire others and to engage into physical fitness by sharing my story.
Good afternoon. My name is Nico Dotilios. You can call me Nick. I'm 26 years old. I'm a government employee for Pag-ibig Fund. And my fitness advocacy will be being healthy physically, mentally, and spiritually through having a healthy diet.
First time to join Superbods?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what made you want to join the competition?
I just want to try something new, sir, and have a new chapter in my life. Because this actually was the first if ever I would be able to join after this, I mean, this will be the first pageant that I'll be in. So,
Trying something new.
yes.
Yeah. Can you tell us more about it? What does it mean?
Actually, I just appreciate art so much, but they don't have stories behind them. This one is Medusa, and I like flowers also. This one is Zeus and angels, and behind me, Chinese guard dogs.
Oh.
I just like art, but no story, no heartbreak story.
Ano ni appeal man gani ba? Ano ba? Ano ni appeal man ka?
I just want to share my story.
And what's your story?
You really wanna?
No, just a little one, yeah.
Growing up, I was bullied for being too skinny.
Oh, so
That's
nice.
why, and it also helped me mentally, not just physically. And looking good is only a bonus, I think.
Yes, mental health is important as well, huh? So yes.
Mental health awareness.
Thanks.
It's a great opportunity to share, get to share my story, how I keep fit, be healthy. Yeah, that's it, maybe.
So, kung mudaog ka ba, unsa may mong unang buhaton sa imong kwarta?
Save some, invest some, and spend some, I guess.
So, sa imong business, ha? So, kung nakay tip sa mga tao na ganahan magpa-fit right now, what's one tip that you wanna give?
You don't have to start really small. If you start from the lowest, you probably get tired when every time you see people who are on top already. So maybe start somewhere where you feel comfortable and you know your strengths. And yeah, keep the main thing always main, para you won't lose focus.
Thanks. Ay, ano ni appeal man gani ba?
So, apil mo ko to last 2 years ago.
Oo.
I think karon mas ready na karon.
Mo back na karon.
Rest back na karon then. I think mas prepared na karon, mas mature enough sa mga lalo ka ng beginner pa ta sa una nga naglukan pa ka stage. But karon I think ready na ko. So, medyo exposed sa ko. Kabalo na kuna na akong experience, so I think asik na ako.
Unsa may nausab nimo from last 2 years, the biggest change from 2 years ago?
Before basta na to. Before karon daga na kayo.
Oh, so nahimo ng pintado, ha? So kung na kay one single tip para lang sa mga ganahan mag-healthy lifestyle ng sugod, unsa magi nindot na tip lang for?
Start karon kay you will thank yourself 1 month from now.
All right, thank you. So why did you join? Ano ni appeal ka?
Because ganahan ko ma-promote og healthy lifestyle and then ganahan ko ma-represent ang Cebu.
Oh, so if ever palaron nga ikaw mo daog, so unsa may imong buhaton sa kwarta? What are you gonna do with the money?
Syempre, para sa future ako i-save and the rest, maybe I will share it to some charity.
And if there's one tip that you can give anyone who wants to have a fitness journey or start a healthy lifestyle, unsa may imong best tip na mahatag sa ila?
Actually, you don't need to work out every day. Work out lang ka twice or thrice a week and then eat the right food. That's it.
Thank you. Yeah. So those are some of the applicants or contenders for the GOSI here in Cebu, and hopefully, one of them would go to the finals night on the 10th to 7th in Manila. And I guess, yes, with a grand prize of 500,000 pesos, that's gonna be awesome. So Century Tuna is just, promoting this, is doing this to promote a healthy advocacy with a healthy body, a healthy mind, a strong body, a fit body, right kind of food. And I guess that's a good movement, guys. So if you plan to join this kind of competitions, I think Century Tuna is doing this every 2 years. So you have 2 years to prepare, and and for this year's participants, good luck to them. And I think Century Tuna is really doing good when it comes to this advocacy, because especially in the age of where people are getting so fat like me, and they don't have time for exercise. I think having eating the right food and doing having an active lifestyle would really help. And you know, we need influencers, we need people to share their stories, success stories, and I think this is a good step. So yeah, I've heard some this batch of participants are really good and awesome. I mean, hopefully, yes, one of them would win. But yes, it's gonna be a great competition, and good luck to all participants. And for us, yeah, let's do our best to stay fit and eat healthy. Thank you so much for watching this short Kalame Cebu episode of the Century Tuna Everybod Superbod 2020. Because, you know, because really I'm a big supporter of this one, and hopefully also you'll support my fitness journey that's gonna be happening ASAP. Bye bye.